everyone, this is Lynn Curley with Curley's Honey, and today we're going to be putting together shallow frames. I'm using TITEBOnd 2 glue. We always glue our frames, and we're going to use staples today. Now I'm going to be placing the groove top. This is for groove top and groove bottom for use of plastic foundation. I want to use a hammer to make sure that all the top bars are seated down into the foundation. We're using a staple gun that uses 1 1/4 inch staples to staple these together. Now that we've got the top stapled together, we're ready to turn this over and do the bottom. We're using a frame jig, and when you're doing the shallows don't stick up very far. So the mediums and the deeps do, but you just have to be real careful with this, using it with your shallows. So now we're going to glue the bottoms. Now we're going to staple the bottom bar into the frames. Now you want to take them out and put your staples into the end bars of the end bar to keep it from pulling apart when you're trying to prime out of the high bodies. And this is a very important step right here. You want to shoot it into the top of the frame bar on each end, and this keep it from pulling out on you whenever you're trying to pry the frame out that's full of honey. There you have it. We have just put 10 frames together with use of staples and glue and the frame jig. In the description we will put the type of frame jig we used and also the size staples and everything that we use, so you can get that information from there. Okay, this is a frame holder that we made so we could put all of our frames when we get them built. If we don't have the boxes ready, we can just hang them up here and store them. We can put our mediums, our deeps, our shallows. It'll hold everything that we made. And when we get ready to use them, then we just got to take them down, put the plastic in, and put them in the boxes.
We hope you enjoyed our video. If you enjoyed our video, give us a like. If you really enjoyed our video, subscribe to our channel. And if you really enjoyed our video, click the bell and receive a notification every time we release a new video. God bless and have a good day.